tasya heturvidya. Not understanding his purpose is ignorance. Not understanding this relationship of Brahma and Maya, that is universe, is ignorance. नाभि चक्रे काय व्यूह ज्ञानम. Restraint or Sanyam, Dharana Dhyan Samadhi on Navi Chakra, that is Manipur Chakra, gives the knowledge of anatomy and the structure. The Navi Chakra is a central glandular organ of navel plexus. It is called brain of the abdomen. Fetus is fed through navel and all links are connected to this portion. This is the center and a balance of body, and when pivoted at this point, there occurs a perfect balance. The powerful gland has 16 connections, sends chemical signals to brain at stalks of fear, pain and pleasure. From the exercise, there gains a knowledge of metabolism, disorder, 7 tissues, that is dhatu, 5 winds and connection to mind and organs. कंठकूपे शुद्ध पिपासा निवृत्ति ही. Restraint or Sanyam, Dharana Dhyan Samadhi on guttural thyroid absolves from thirst and hunger. Kurmanadya Sthiryam. Restraint or Sanyam, Dharana Dhyan Samadhi on Kurmanadi gives stability and hold to all systems. This is psychological. Below thyroid, there is a tortoise-shaped glandular link. This is a life-holding and system establishing neural link. It can be compared to the holding system of the snake. The snake, when entered half inside the hole, cannot be pulled outside by even full might. The snake hold at the hole is not only physical but it is mental. The iguana, when tied to a rope and climbs to get a hold at cliff, it as firm as anchor that a cliff rider can safely climb at mountain. This is mental power of iguana. Murdha Jyotishi Siddha Darshanam. Restraint or Sanyam, Dharana Dhyan Samadhi on Murdhva Jyoti. You will recognize a person possessing extraordinary powers. At head, there is a cavity called Brahmarandra, a pituitary gland and 1,000 links plexus called Sahasrara Chakra. Concentration on this gives an ability to recognize the gifted people. Pratibhadva Sarva. The intuitional insight makes yogi to understand everything mentally without physical application of any kind.